Hey, what's up YouTube? It's me, Tobias here. Thank you for joining me today. Wow, it's such an... Check it out, guys. Not a cloud? Nah, that's a lie. There's clouds in the sky, but it's such a nice day today. Yeah, let's go check on the pond real quick. Oh, and I also gotta feed the fish, so let me go grab the food real quick. Alright, guys, we got the fish food right here. This is what I've been feeding them. And inside this box, the filter I ordered actually came. The pump hasn't arrived yet, but the filter came. Let me show you guys it real quick. So, this is kind of my fault. This is the tubing I bought for it, but it's the wrong size. And I can't return it to the store because that store is going out of business, and it was like a final sale kind of thing. And I also bought this pipe tape, which is also not what I needed to buy, but so I gotta buy the right stuff today. But yeah, check it out. So this is the actual filter, this white thing. I'll just take the whole thing out real quick. So it's like a waterfall filter kind of thing, and pretty much you attach your pump to that hole right there with using a hose, but of course I need the right sized hose. Yeah, you plug it in right there. You got this thing to, keep the filter, hold the filter in place. And then this filter, you could take it out, you could clean it off, like by hosing it off or whatever. And then this part up here, it came with this mesh bag. And this mesh bag, you're supposed to fill it with lava rocks, which I'm gonna go try to buy today. I'm gonna see if I can find them at a store. You fill this bag with lava rocks and put it right there, and the lava rocks help with the filtration as well. And the water will fill up, get filtered, and then overflow into the pool pond. So let's go see how the goldfish are today. They're a little less shy, but they're still like really scared when I walk over there. So let's see if we can get a glimpse of them before they all try to hide. Oh, look, there's one down there. Let me just zoom in. Hopefully there's not too much of a glare on the water, but it's right there by the plant pot. Oh, there's one. Yeah, as you can see, they're really skittish. Yeah, they're all hiding in that corner. There's the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And look at that. We actually have a minnow out. Those are usually kind of hard to find, but there's a minnow. There it is. So guys, hopefully right now as I'm leaving, hopefully they'll come out and start eating. Oh, one more thing I want to show you guys. I have these 2 plant pots, which I want to put inside there, just like I want to lay them on their sides like this. And they'll kind of act as little fish caves for the fish. So yeah, I looked it up online. These are safe to put in with fish, so yeah guys, those will make good little hiding places for the fish. That'll be really cool. I just need to clean them out a little, and then we'll be good to go. I also want to buy some more fish. I want to get some fancy goldfish, like the ones with the big eyes on the sides and like the tail, like the crazy tails, and they're kind of more like round in shape. So yeah, we're gonna go to Petco. So there's a couple stores I'm gonna have to go to, and I gotta do it pretty quick because I do have to work this afternoon. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, we're gonna check out the garden department of this Walmart real quick. Maybe to see if they'll have the lava rock, and then we're gonna check out Petco. Alright guys, so Walmart, they did not have the lava rocks, but I did get my fish from Petco. I'm gonna show you as soon as we get home. Alright guys, so I'm back home now. Check out the goldfish I got. They're called, let me make sure I'm pronouncing this right. They are called Oranda goldfish. Here they are, guys. I got 3. They each look a little different. Let me show you this way so you can get a better look at them. I got a regular orange one, a black and an orange one, and then an orange and white one. They're really cool. They don't seem as shy as the other goldfish I got. So let's go float the bag and get them acclimated. Alright guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and put them in here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let those float in there for about 20 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm gonna show you guys something else really cool that I got. I'm actually pretty interested to see if this works. Let me show you. I got these water lily bulbs. So apparently, you know, you drop these in your pond or your aquarium or whatever, and these bulbs right here grow into water lilies. So this package right here has 4, and it has a guarantee. If they don't grow in 30 days, the company will send you a new one. These were like $5 at Petco. So yeah, I'm probably gonna go ahead and plant at least one of them today. Alright guys, so it's been 20 minutes. So the fish are ready to go in. Looks like they're ready to get out of that bag. And over here, while I was waiting, I cleaned that plant pot out just with water. And I put it down there on its side so they could, you know, the fish could hide in there. Let's go ahead and get these in. Check this out guys, these new goldfish are so cool. They're not as shy as the other goldfish. They'll swim right up, they'll swim like right next to you. Oh, there's one right there. They look so cool. I love how these look. There's another one right there. And then the third one is over here. Right there. They're really cool. They're definitely not shy. There's the little goldfish. They swim away really fast as soon as they see me. But these are cool. Like, I'll probably be able to feed these and everything right away. They swim very slowly. But they look really nice when they swim. They're very like graceful looking. I like them. I like these a lot. These are so cool. Oh, there he is, right in between the lilies. We got a little minnow. There he is. Look, they're all hanging out with the other goldfish. So there should be a total of 8 fish altogether, like goldfish. Not including the minnows, there should be 8 goldfish altogether. The 3 new ones and the 5 original ones. I am a little worried about this one. Yeah, out of the 3, this guy, he's been swimming like really slowly. But he's also like probably the fattest, so maybe that's why. Hey guys, so I'm just going to pause the video right here really quick. I'm editing this video and I just wanted to let you guys know, if you look closely at this goldfish, you'll see that there are bumps coming out from the sides of him on the left and the right side. I looked up online what that is, and apparently it's a sign of swim bladder disease, or it could also be a swim bladder infection. So in other words, Petco sold me a goldfish that had swim bladder disease. I did a little more research, and apparently these kinds of fancy goldfish are very prone to swim bladder disorders because the way they are bred, they are pretty much compressed in a way that all their organs are pretty much squished up. So basically, people who are breeding these types of goldfish are actually breeding a disorder, which I didn't know before, but I now feel like that is quite inhumane. You know, look, coming right up to the side where I'm at. So cool. Alright guys, I'm like super happy with those fish. They look so cool. Oh yeah, one thing I was thinking of, should we start naming them? Because the cool thing is like I could tell them all apart because they all look different. All the fish look different. So yeah, maybe we should start naming them. Let me know if that's a good idea. Let me know down in the comments. Let me know if you guys have any names. Right now, let's figure out what we want to do with those lily bulbs. Alright guys, so this is what I think I'm going to do with these lily bulbs. So right now I'm just going to take one of these bulbs, put it down in the gravel, and then another day we'll do a bulb inside this pot with gravel in it. So guys, it kept on floating up, so I kind of put it down there in between the rocks, and I had some rocks holding it down on the side, and hopefully that'll do the trick. Oh look, some of the fish are coming. Hey. Yeah, these new guys are friendly. So yeah, hopefully, you know, a lily plant like this one over here will grow from that little bulb. And that would be really cool because that little pack of bulb only costs $5, and that lily plant over there costs like $40. So hopefully we'll get something like that. Got one right here. Just cruising around. We got the other ones all over there. Looks like they're eating or something. Yeah, the new fish are not afraid of me. I like that. They're so cool. Oh, we got the gold one. The orange one, I should say. So cool. It's funny how they all swim around together with the other fish. Alright guys, so that's going to be just about it for this video. I'm really happy with how the pool pond is coming along. Those fish are so cool. Hopefully in the next video the pond pump will actually get here and we could set up the pump and the filter and everything. I'm really looking forward to that. And yeah guys, stay tuned for more pond videos. If you like this video, if you go down and give me a like, that helps me out a lot. And if you're new to my channel, my name's Tobias. I do pond videos, vlogs, cover songs, and reviews. And yeah, I encourage you to go check out my channel. If you like what you see there, hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with these pond videos. I'm having a lot of fun with them and I'm really happy with the way things are turning out. And I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.